I hope you fall. I hope you choke more than that. How long have you been doing? How long were you doing that? Like 4 minutes or something like that? Oscar. Deja, quit. Deja, quit. Are you done yet?
That sounds like a car!
Shut up! Are you done yet? This retard has been doing this for like 5 minutes now. That does not sound like a car.
A broken car.
It's not broken.
I raped the car.
You raped the car? Deja, you're just an idiot. Joseph's not coming swimming. You should have said yes. Don't say no.
I'm mad.
Why are you mad? Why are you mad? Hey, big head. Why are you mad? Ugly. Why are you mad? Answer the question. Oscar. Deja, answer the question. Answer the question. I'm going to put this down and beat you up. Deja, answer the question. Deja Kelsey. Answer the question. Deja, answer the question. You wasted like 3 minutes of these people's lives. Just answer the question already. Okay, look. They're probably tired of you guys. Deja! Answer the question. Why are you mad?
Oscar.
No. Why were you just mad? Ugly. Why were you just mad? Are you mad because Joseph can't come swimming? You told him you didn't care. Just say bye to the people.
Bye to the people.
Not like that.
Not like that.
Shut up.
Oscar.
That wasn't funny. Will you do something funny so I can end this?